bridge, the hub between all of these devices and all of the magic that's happening on the back end, the integration with these data sources, your proprietary systems behind the firewall, your public cloud systems you're leveraging, the interaction with the social media. So this truly is something that can be very instrumental in delivering these new applications. And of course, the promise of anything cloud should be that it's easy to get up and running. It's relatively cost. I pay for what I need. If I use more, I'll pay for it. If I use less, I'll pay less for it. So that's really what MBAS is all about. So I think this was actually shown this morning. I'll spend just 1 minute on it. If there are any questions, we can focus on it. If not, we can move quickly on. But I did want to kind of compare and contrast. The question we always get is, well, I know what SaaS is, and I know what infrastructure as a service, and I know what PaaS is, but where does MBAS fit into the grand scheme of things? So just a couple of examples. Infrastructure as a service, classic example being Amazon AWS, which allows developers to basically rent computing capacity. And I can then build applications on top of it, do whatever I want, and pay for it as I go. On top of that, we have PaaS, platform as a service, again, for developers, not for the end users. In this case, you've now got a development environment on top that facilitates the creation of new applications. Heroku being a great example, Windows Azure, Force.com. I saw an interesting stat the other day that Force.com now has over 1 million apps and modules built on top of it. So it's a huge, thriving ecosystem. Obviously, very much tailored to the Salesforce platform. And then of the lot, the SaaS is really the only one that's not targeted just to developers. It's targeted to the end users, the consumers.